Morning. Let's try this new coffee, Venus Coffee Roasters. So I think the plan for today is to go back to Gore to get some supplies, get some gas, get some food, stock back up. And then the plan is to drive down to the Catlins to do some hiking there, see how all the equipment works, and then make our way down to Stewart Island. So for breakfast, I'm gonna mix all these things together. Some porridge, honey, raisins, cranberry juice, some peanut butter, and these pomegranate things. Alright, we've done a lot of planning. Plan now is to get to Gore and get the camping supplies, then get to the New World and get some more food, and then drive to Owaka to get to a information site to see which tracks are open and which tracks are walkable. Sleep in Owaka and then do some hiking to a hut, back to the campsite and see how all the gear works out. That's the plan. So first stop, Gore. Right, we've got all the supplies, so now let's head to the information center in Owaka. So tonight we're gonna make leek potato soup, and these are the dried meals for hiking, and we've got a bit of fruit for lunches, and we've got the gas, which is the most important thing. Finally, I knew I would find some. $8 a dozen. Beauty. Yeah, yeah. Appreciate. Oh, sweet. September 18th. Surely not. There's like 3 months. I'm not really sure. I will get a glass of water and then check whether they're still, edible, essentially. When the eggs rot, they develop gas, and gas means they would float. So if they float, they are kind of rotten. Don't want that. Let's try another one. Beautiful. I think I'll take it. One of those new eggs in here, so we can return that carton. Mate, 1 more minute. See ya. Right, today a very easy recipe, potato leek soup. Chop everything and then soup it. Jesus. I mean, yeah, it says elephant garlic, but we just survived a very severe thunderstorm, and this potato leek soup is perfect. It's kind of getting cozy in here. So bit more pepper. Pepper.